Hello everyone, this is Maris from Wenxiang. We are the manufacturing from China. We have two RDs. One RD is in Shenzhen, which is specialized in the IFPD related products. And today I would like to introduce you one of our customized solutions for higher education, which we call it a high technology combined with traditional writing. So this IFPD is integrated with a touch panel inside. The touch panel could be in any solution, so change the Whiteboard doesn't matter. But our RD make a solution that is combined with a whiteboard. It's a ceramic surface, so you can write with your marker pen here. While you're writing, as you can see here, it's showing in the middle. And we also have some hotkeys here, so you can change the color, for example. Then by writing, it's in another color. And also, like we can save it in different format here in the middle. Or if you got your internet connected, then I can scan the QR code, then it's immediately, you can scan it and save it in your mobile phone. Okay, and so this one is designed by the foldable one, which I can fold it. So both sides can be folded and can be covered in the middle. Then you can lock it at like to hide the screen. Okay, so there are more informations in our product catalog, like for the PCAP panels, for different solutions of RK solutions, MTK solutions. If you would like to know more about our product, you are mostly welcome to visit our website at www.wentech.cn. Thank you.